Welcome to the Unreal BootCamp lesson on email authentication. We'll start this lesson once again in the brainCloud API reference and take a look at the authenticate email password request. This request is very similar to the authenticate universal request, but instead of a user ID, we pass in an email address. Let's head back into Xcode and navigate to the networkmanager.h file. Declare a public method called request email authentication. This method will take in two parameters called email and password, both of type const fstring reference. Open the networkmanager.cbp file. Scroll down and implement the request email authentication method that we just declared. In the body of the method, invoke the brainCloud's authenticate email request. Pass in the email, password, true, to force create an account in the event that it does not exist. Also, pass in the address of the authentication callback object that was declared in the anonymous authentication lesson. Navigate to the email login dialog widget.cbp file. Include the networkmanager.h file. Scroll down and find the onLogin button clicked method. Remove the to-do statement. In its place, hide the dialog, show the connecting dialog, invoke the network manager's request email authentication method, pass in the email and password from the text field objects. Navigate to the space shooter game mode base.cbp file. Scroll down and find the handle authentication method. Delete the line that invokes the dialog manager's show universal login dialog method. In its place, invoke the dialog manager's show email login dialog method. Click the Run button to build the project and launch the Unreal editor. With Unreal open, run the game. We're probably going to automatically reconnect. That's okay. Open the brainCloud dialog and click Logout. Once the dialog refreshes, click Login. Notice the email login dialog is displayed. Enter an email address and a password. However, to make debugging on the brainCloud portal easier, be sure to use an email address that is different from the one that you used for your brainCloud portal account. Once that's done, click Login. We have successfully authenticated an email identity. Updating the player's username is the next lesson in the Unreal Bootcamp.